Ultimate dad jokes. Prepare to cringe.
Let's set the scene. An old lady was walking down the street past a pet shop when suddenly she hears from behind her, "Ah, lady, you ugly!" She turns around, all angry, and she sees a parrot sitting in the window. The next day, she walks past the same shop, and again she hears, "Ah, hi lady, you're ugly!" Again she turns around angry and sees a parrot. On the third day, as she is walking down the street past a pet shop, she hears again, "Ah, lady, you're real ugly!" Really angry, she takes a pet shop owner to court. The judge finds in her favor and tells the owner, "If that bird calls this lady ugly one more time, you will go to jail and have to pay a heavy fine." The next morning, the lady walks past the same pet shop again. She walks past the pet shop, listening carefully, and she hears, "Ah!" She turns around with her phone ready to call the judge. And a parrot says, "You know."